Please, no!
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neha and I'm back with another video after 2 months. I don't know why I was procrastinating so much. I just didn't feel like editing or posting any videos, and then I went on a trip as well, which was amazing. I have such beautiful clips from that trip. I have to sit down and edit them and post that video. But before we move on to this video, thank you for making me hit 500 subscribers. That just motivates me a lot. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, then please go ahead and hit that red button and subscribe to my channel. So अब बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा speech हो गया. Let's get into the video. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 types of jeans which I feel every girl should have in her wardrobe. If you have these 5 jeans, you'll be able to make pretty much a lot of outfits with them. So yeah, if you guys want to know more about what these 5 types of jeans are, then please keep watching. You guys know there are a lot of types of jeans in the market. There are boyfriend jeans, girlfriend jeans, mom jeans, dad jeans, skinny fit jeans, slim fit jeans, flared jeans, distressed jeans.
Paneer tikka, paneer malai, paneer bhuji, paneer kadai, chicken tikka, chicken malai, chicken curry, chicken kadai.
But you don't need to have like every single one of them in your denim collection. If you have like 5 or 6 of those versatile jeans, I think you'll be good to pair all of your top wear with these jeans. For me, my preference is always high-rise jeans, because high-rise jeans makes your legs look really long, just gives an illusion of you being taller than you already are. Also, it hides that little tummy which you have when you go out and you eat a lot, which I always do. So yeah, that's like a plus. Now starting with the first type of jeans, which I think is the most important pair of jeans for any girl, and I think these are my most used type of jeans. I think you will realize that when you see them because they're so faded. But you need a good pair of skinny jeans, be it blue, be it black. So I have the skinny pair of blue jeans. It's skinny, it's high waist. As I said, I prefer high waist jeans because it just gives your body a very nice shape. Skinny jeans can be paired in so many ways. You can pair it with shirts to make like business casual or semi-formal outfits. You can pair it with kurtis, tops, crop tops, any sort of top wear would go with it. So these are like the safest type of jeans to own, and I think every girl should have either blue or black or both of them. That's like the best option. Moving on to the second type of jeans every girl should have is a good pair of mom jeans. Now mom jeans are basically straight fit jeans, so they fit you well on the waist, then they are a little loose on your hips and thighs area, and then pretty loose on like the bottom area. So they are basically straight fit and they give a very casual vibe to your outfit, but yet very trendy. They are so in right now. One plus point of these jeans are that they are very comfortable. Skinny jeans can sometimes get uncomfortable in some situations, but mom jeans are perfect for those who want comfort plus fashion. So I have like a plain black mom jeans. When I don't want to wear skinny jeans, this is what I go for. And the next one which I have is this grey like acid washed jeans. Also make sure if you're wearing mom jeans, try to pair it with like a tighter upperwear or topwear because it just balances out. Also boots go really well with mom jeans. So yeah, I think the second pair of jeans which every girl should have is a good pair of mom jeans. Now the third type of jeans that every girl I think should have is a white pair of jeans. Now as you can see, this one still has the tag on. It's because I can't wear white, and it's not because I'm not allowed to. It's because a little backstory. I have ruined every single white thing I've worn in the first occasion that I've worn it. I just do something, I don't know, I spill something, I just get it so dirty that the stain can't even be removed. So I think that is why I've never gotten an occasion to wear this, or actually I should say ruin this. I got this jeans like 2-3 years back. I think this is mid-rise jeans, so I don't really like them that much, but I love the detailing which they have. If you're daring enough to wear white jeans, then definitely get yourself a pair, because white jeans just look so put together. They look really chic and classy. White jeans or white trousers. So yeah, again white jeans I think is a must have. Wow, मैंने lipstick लगा दिया. Can you see it? I told you. ये तो मैंने मतलब बिना यूज किए ruin कर दिया. Wow.
Stop it. Get some help.
The fourth type of jeans is for every girl who wants to look very like trendy and fashionable but wants to stay very comfortable. I think all of us, and it's a good pair of slouchy jeans. So the difference between mom jeans and slouchy jeans is that mom jeans is almost like fitted around the thighs and hip area, but for slouchy jeans it's fitted at the top like around your waist area, it's fitted at the bottom around your ankle area, but then throughout ये पूरा loose एकदम पजामे जैसा comfortable होता है. So it's basically like the comfort of pajamas or joggers with the coolness of the denim, and you basically get best of both worlds. Also it's so trendy right now. You'll open Instagram, हर जगह तुमको ये slouchy jeans ही दिखेगा. इसके साथ आप कुछ भी top wear pair कर लो, you're just gonna look instantly very Insta friendly and Insta appropriate, and you will have some amazing pics. Yeah, for the last pair of jeans I have flared jeans or wide leg jeans or boot cut jeans. So basically flared and wide leg almost same ही होते हैं. So flared jeans are जो ऊपर से waist पे fitted होता है and then throughout वो पूरा flared होता है, and then boot cut jeans होता है जो ऊपर से knees तक fitted होता है and then it starts to flare a little. If you are a 90s kid you would know boot cut jeans. So yeah, they are back in trend and oh my god, I love them. Right now I just have one pair of bootcut jeans, but I want to get more because they just make you look very classy, give that very 90s vibes to your outfit. So if you've seen my birthday video, you would have seen these bootcut jeans. I had worn it on my birthday with like a white crop top and it looked so pretty. बहुत ऐसे retro सा look आ रहा था. For flared or wide leg jeans, I have this like dark blue, navy blue sort of flared jeans जो आप देख सकते हो कि पूरा flared है. So yeah, I think you should have either bootcut or flared jeans in your closet. So these are all of the 5 jeans that every girl should have. I think these are the only 5 jeans you need. You can literally take any top from your closet and I can guarantee it will pair up with at least one of them. Now I just wanted to add like a optional jeans which is distressed jeans. Now I know not everybody likes wearing fatawa jeans. Distressed jeans obviously won't go for like office look or formal looks. But if you want like a very casual look, तो अगर आपको एक extra jeans चाहिए तो you can add in your closet good distressed pair of jeans. So yeah, we are done with the video. मुझे ये video film करने में बहुत ज़्यादा time लग गया. But yeah, it was exciting. It was fun to do this after such a long time. So yeah, if you guys like this video, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up. Also comment down below which out of these jeans was your favorite pair. Also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you soon with another one. Till then, bye. This is the most basic as, so I think this is the most basic jeans in my birthday video. I wore it on my, okay Simba. You can literally take any top from your floor. I myself have like quite a few pairs of Why I didn't wanna 5 types of jeans. Let's get into the type of jeans. I don't know what is it.
Oh, you are.